Okay, for this one, they want to make a graph from Team Two's data from problem 725. So you have to go back to 725 and find the points. I'll try my best to graph them on here, right? So here's my graph, depth of the seed. So the first one is 324, right? So this is 20. So each one of these is 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20. So each one is 5. So 324 would be about here, right? Let me draw 324 and then try to make that bigger. Right? And then 621 would be about here. And 918 is about here. And again, this is hard for me to graph because this stylus is not as accurate as your pencil. But anyway, 12 is the next point. 12 is about here, and 15.6 is about here, and 18.0 is here, right? 18.0. Okay. And then A says draw a straight line that models the trend of the data. Well, this is quite easy, right? It goes like that, right? There's the trend line. And it doesn't intersect each of the points. Again, it's a line of best fit or a trend line, right? Either one, you can call it either one. And then B says, use your line of best fit to predict the height of the plant when the seed is planted 14 centimeters deep. 14. So I'd go to 14, right, with my on my graph. So 5, 10, 15. So 14 is about here, right? And I'd go up to where it hits. And I don't know, it looks like about, I don't know, 7 or 8, right? 7 or 8, somewhere in that point. So I would say it's 7 or 8 centimeters deep. And again, your trend line is going to vary, so you're going to get a slightly different answer. But I'd say it should be in that range of 6 to 9, somewhere in that range to be reasonable. And the last one, we have to find the y-intercept. So I'd have to extend my trend line. Again, it's hard for me. I'm not using a ruler. Okay, so find the y-intercept. So that's 20, 25, 30. It looks like it hits at about 30. So the y-intercept is 30, right? And that's centimeters. And then it says interpret it. So what does that mean? So that would mean that at 0, if we left the seed on top of the soil, right at the soil, and we didn't plant it in the soil, that it would grow to 30 centimeters. That's what this graph tells us.